In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds to your Samsung tablet. Now, to do that, first of all, just make sure that your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds are fully charged. Now, after you've done that, the next step is on your tablet, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just go to the Connection section, then tap on Bluetooth. Now from here, just enable the toggle for Bluetooth. Now after you enable Bluetooth, now the next step is just turn on your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds. And after that, just enter your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds into pairing mode. Now some earbuds or headphones might have a button. Just press the button to enter into pairing mode. But these AirPods will enter into pairing mode by simply double tapping on the front of the AirPod. Now after you do that, now just tap on Scan. And after you do that, you will find the name of your Bluetooth headphones on the screen. Now just tap on it and select pair. Now as you can see, this is how you can pair your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds with your Samsung tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.